Perfect. In today's class, guys, what we're doing is just having some practice of all the things we have learned in the previous classes. First of all, let's get started. Let's get started with this, which is a simple addition, guys. We have negative 43 plus 45. My goal is to answer that, guys. Okay, first of all, you said, look at the signs, guys. This is just a simple addition or subtraction. You have two different signs. One is positive, the other is negative. What I have to do, guys, add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay, let's subtract 45 minus 43. That is the difference between them is
Two.
2, right? Okay, sorry. 2. And I need to place the sign of the biggest value.
It's
Which one?
positive.
Positive.
45 and it's positive.
Excellent. In this case, guys, we don't need the positive. I don't place it. I know that it's positive. Let's go to the second one. We have a division. Okay, how do we divide numbers, guys? As usual, divide the numbers, then apply some rules. 3, guys, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3
One.
is just 1.
One.
1. And now let's see the signs. We have the same sign, mom and dad, the same sign, the same
So it's
idea.
positive.
The
So it's
result is
positive.
Positive.
positive, okay? When positive. We don't need to place the 1 again, but if you want to. Let's go to this multiplication. 10 multiplying 4. We multiply as usual, guys. Exactly the same. You're
40.
gonna say 40,
40.
and we have
Positive.
mom and dad thinking the same way, negative and negative, then it's gonna be positive. That's it. Let's go to the number 4. Perhaps in this one, we have to work just a little bit harder, not that much. This is a combined operation since I have parentheses, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all the four arithmetics operations. However, I need to follow a order, which is PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, finally addition or subtractions. Let's get started. What is the first thing that I have to solve here?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Okay, okay. I'm gonna working with these parentheses. Okay, what is inside of the parentheses? Okay, take a look that, guys, the negative, I'm just going to get it down. Okay, that negative I just copied. Then I'm gonna work with the parentheses. I need to solve what is inside of my parentheses. What I have inside of my parentheses, guys? Positive 3 and negative 8, and a subtraction, right? We have different signs. Okay, positive and negative, we have different signs. We subtract. 8 minus 3,
Negative 5.
5. Negative, since the biggest values is for the 8, which is negative. That's it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, plus. In this, guys, take a look that I have. I know that I should copy this and then again, but you can be a little bit lazy. You can work in this, guys, because this is a little, it's indifferent. It is not inside of the parentheses. You can work in this. But what is first? The multiplication or division?
Division.
Right. From
Okay.
left to right.
From left to right, the first operation that I got is a division. Therefore, that's the first thing that I'm going to solve. Okay, I'm going to work with that division. Let's solve that, guys. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided
3.
by 2 is 3. Okay, and the other leftover part is just gonna be gotten down. Okay, times 2. Times 2. And notice, guys, that now this looks a little bit simpler. So take a look. It's not that difficult now. We only have a parenthesis and a multiplication. What is first, guys? That parenthesis, right, is pissing me off. Okay, this parenthesis is pissing me off. Take a look that I have negative here. And inside of the parenthesis, I have another negative, guys. I can use, because the parenthesis is going to be working like a multiplication, right? If we multiply negative and negative, what do we get?
Positive.
Positive 5, okay? Without the parenthesis. I don't need it anymore. Plus, and let's solve this one. 3 times 2, guys. What is that equals to? 6. And can you solve this, guys?
Yes.
Why not? 11. Positive 11. And that's our answer. Excellent. Okay, we have another one. 8 minus parenthesis negative 3 times 2. Again, guys, just follow the order. What is first, the multiplication or a parenthesis? What goes first? Of course, it's going to be the parenthesis, right? That's the first thing that I need to work with. Okay, let's see. I'm going to start off just recopying that. Okay, okay. The 8, guys, I just get it down. Take a look that this parenthesis, guys, is the first thing that I need to work. I have a double sign there. I don't have any operation inside of the parenthesis. aside from the negative and another negative here. Okay, I need to use that rule. Negative and negative, guys.
Equals
Positive.
Positive 3. And I only get, I only need to get down the leftover part, which is times 2. Okay, I just get this down. Take a look that I just got rid of the parentheses. And can you solve this? No, mister. That's a piece of cake. 8, I just copied. What is the first thing that I have to work? Addition or the multiplication?
Multiplication.
Of course, the multiplication. 3 times 2, guys. Can someone help me with that?
6.
6. And can you solve this? 8 plus 6?
Yeah.
14.
14.
14. You got this answer?
Yes.
Ah, amazing.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, now let's get down to the fractions, operations with fractions, addition and subtraction, especially. And let's see, Mr. A fraction, oh, the pizza, division, okay. How do I work with that? How I develop an addition or subtraction? It depends on the denominator, right? If you have the same denominator, you do something. If you have different, you do something different. In this case, we have the same denominator, right? Can you notice that, guys? 3, 3, 3. What do I have to do when I have the same denominator?
Copy.
Only
Just
copy the same
copy
denominator.
the same denominator because we only have one, and add or subtract the numerators. Okay, I'm going to copy my numerators, which is 2 plus 1 minus 5. You can do it at once, just mentally. What is this equals to, guys? 2 plus 1 is 3.
3.
3 minus 5,
It's negative 2.
negative 2, correct. It's 2. And negative, I can place the negative here in the middle. And that is my answer. 2/3 plus 1/3 minus 5/3 is equals to negative 2/3. That's it. In this one, notice, what can you notice, guys, in this fraction?
We have different denominators.
All right, all of them are different. 2, 5, 4. I cannot copy you. What is the number that you're gonna copy here if all of them are different? Well, I cannot use the method. That's why I need to do something. I need to come up with a new idea. What is that idea, guys? What can I use in order to?
Find the least
To find
Thank you. Least common multiple of what? Of 2, 5,
5 and 4.
and 4. Okay, I need to find out the least common multiple. And how do I find the least common multiple? Just by listing out the multiple of each number, 5 and 4. What are the multiple of 4? Of 2, sorry. 2, 4, 6,
6,
8,
8,
10,
12,
12,
and
14,
12.
15. Okay, and I need to continue. What about 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I think I will not need it. And 4, 4, 8, 12,
16.
16 and
24. Okay, and what is the least common multiple? Okay, I get to
20.
see 20 here, 20 here. Mister, but 20 is not here. No, guys, I have to continue until I find it. Okay, 16, 18, 20. Take a look, that is there. Okay, it's 20. Okay, you only need to list them out. Okay, 20 and 20. Then my least common multiple is gonna be 20. That 20, guys, is gonna be my new denominator. Okay, and then we use a technique, it's really simple, which is divide here and multiply by each numerator. We divide by each denominator, that answer is multiplied by the numerator. Let's get into it. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. 20 divided by 2. Okay, I have 20 and I divide it in 2. I get
10.
10. 10, 10, 10. 20 divided by 2 pieces, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm gonna get 10 groups. 10. Okay, I have 10, I have 10, I have 10. Then I need to multiply 10 by 3. 10 times 3. It's just 30. Okay, okay, thank you, 30. Then I just copy this sign, guys. I just copy that sign, which is positive. And I need to continue. 20 divided by 5 now. 20 divided by 5, guys. That is 4, right?
4.
4. 4 times 2. 4 times 2.
8.
8. Thank you. Then I just copy the next sign, which is negative. And 20 divided by 4, guys. 20 divided by 4. 5, right? 5 times 1.
5.
5. Okay, thank you. That is gonna be 5. And then guys, I only need to simplify this. Okay, I just copy the denominator that I got, which is 20, really easy. And let's solve this. 30 plus 8, 38.
38.
38 minus 5,
33.
33. And this is our answer. 33/20. You got that?